Hi. Have you ever wondered why are you not making enough money despite working very hard every day? It may be hard for many to earn enough from one job to live your dream life. But what if I told you that there is a solution where your money works for you? It's called passive income, and in other words it means income that requires little to no work. Don't worry, there are many different ways to create passive income streams, so everyone will find something for themselves. Hi, this is your daily dose of business, and in this video we will show you 5 passive incomes for beginners. Be sure to watch till the end. 1. Sell stock photos. A great example of passive income for those who have a knack for photography and photo editing is selling their work online. You can turn your interest into a passive income stream while still enjoying your pastime. The good news is that you don't have to be a professional photographer to make money selling your photos online, but you will need some familiarity with both photography and image editing. There are several places online where you can sell your photographs. You can choose between a flat rate or a percentage of sales for each photo uploaded to one of these sites. Some websites where your photographs can be in demand are Adobe Stock or Shutterstock. You can also put your wares up for sale on Etsy or your own website, in addition to the aforementioned photo sharing websites. 2. Create a YouTube channel. It's common knowledge that some YouTubers have become quite wealthy as a result of their videos. Creating a YouTube channel is a fantastic move for long-term financial security. YouTube is the second most popular website in the world, behind only Google. More than 2 billion individuals across the world use YouTube right now, and each day, they watch an estimated 1 billion hours of content. There are basically 3 ways of making money through YouTube. You can earn from AdSense, which are YouTube ads displayed in your videos. You can also do paid promos and sponsorships when a company approaches you to advertise their product. The last method is using your YouTube channel to sell your products, like merch or courses. 3. Affiliate marketing. Through affiliate marketing, you receive a commission whenever a customer makes a purchase after clicking on one of your links or recommendations. It's a common strategy for making money without actively doing anything, and it's especially effective for bloggers. These partner programs are available from all of the industry's leading manufacturers, distributors, and service providers. Amazon, Walmart, and ShareASale are among the most popular. Spending on affiliate marketing by U.S. businesses is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022. For long-term success in affiliate marketing, picking the right product to promote is crucial. Find a product that speaks to your specialty, target audience, and gives solutions to your audience, all while paying well, and you'll be ahead of the game. This method requires low or no cost to implement a company concept, although affiliate marketing takes patience because earnings are not assured. 4. E-commerce or dropshipping. The term e-commerce refers to the practice of trading tangible goods through the internet. One of the finest methods to create passive income with e-commerce is to engage in dropshipping and to outsource the work associated with it. You can become an online retailer using a process called dropshipping, which eliminates the need for you to ever handle stock or fulfill customer orders. The provider is responsible for shipping the order straight to the end user. That eliminates the need for stock and a warehouse. 5. Selling digital products. You'll need to put in some time and energy up front if you want to learn how to make money without spending it. One of the passive income ideas that may be used immediately is selling digital things. Though it may seem daunting at first, after you have generated material that is both original and of great quality and value, you can sell it as frequently as you like since it is simply a digital download away. But here's the greatest part. You can set yourself up for future success with a passive income stream that requires little to no effort on your side. The most popular digital products to sell are ebooks, online courses, graphics designs, and digital art. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more great content.